Taoiseach, I want to return to the issue of your proposed housing czar and the proposal to pay this individual €430,000. Paying somebody a salary of that level, almost €500,000, to take up the responsibilities of the housing minister is cracked, to tell you the God's honest truth. Most people who job share take home half a wage. You want this individual to take home almost $500,000. I don't know, Taoiseach, if you're on a solo run on this. Your friends in Fine Gael seem to think you are. I raised the issue with you yesterday. I asked you to confirm the salary of €430,000. I asked you, more importantly, to justify that salary to people who are struggling very hard, so many of them who can't afford housing or rent. You failed to do that. So having had the night to sleep on it, I'm asking you to come to your senses, to put a stop to this, or if you wish to pursue, to set out very clearly that salary level and your justification for it. Thank you.
Thank you.
I dealt comprehensively with that issue earlier. The Deputy chose not to raise that issue, fair enough, during leaders' questions. And a Housing Activation Office has been established. It's in the programme for government. I made the point here yesterday that no decision has been made in terms of the person who's going to head that up. I said that to you yesterday, but I did speak also yesterday, I said it to you yesterday, about within the public service there could be secondment. There are people in the public service working in state agency. Please, we're just here, earning substantially above. You know that well. You know it. You've heard of the NTMA, have you? It's going on for the last since 1989 the NTMA was established. You know that. You come in and Féin, you didn't know it. Of course you know the NTMA is there for 30 years. So no decision has been made in terms of any individual, and the government will decide it. The minister will progress that in the time ahead.
Deputy Ivana Bacik.